In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a database to a Base44 app. We'll walk through the process directly inside Base44, and the nice thing is that you don't need to manually build everything from scratch. Base44 can help generate the database structure for you using a simple prompt, which makes this much faster and easier, especially if you already know what kind of data your app needs to store. To begin, go to Base44. Once you're on the platform, look for the area labeled All Apps and click into it. This will take you to the list of apps in your workspace so you can choose the one you want to update. From there, open the Base44 app editor for the app where you want to add the database. This is the main workspace where you can manage and build your app, and it's where the database setup will happen. After the editor opens, move to the left-hand side of the screen and locate the AI chat panel. This is the key tool you'll be using in this process. Instead of manually configuring tables and schema fields one by one, you can describe what you need in plain language and let the AI do the heavy lifting. In the chat panel, type a prompt that clearly explains your data requirements. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result will usually be. For example, you can describe the kind of table you want, what it should track, and which fields should be included. A sample prompt would be, add a database table for tracking customer orders with fields for order ID, price, and status. This gives the AI enough context to understand the purpose of the table and create the basic structure for that data. Once you send the prompt, the AI will automatically build the backend tables and update your schemas. In other words, Base44 takes your description and translates it into the database structure your app can use. This can save a lot of time and reduce setup errors, especially during early development. As a quick tip, try to keep your prompts clear and organized. Mention the table purpose first, then list the fields you need. That helps the AI generate a cleaner result and makes it easier for you to review afterward. And that's it. You've now added a database to your Base44 app by using the AI chat panel to generate the necessary backend tables and schema updates. Once this is done, you can move on to using that data structure throughout your app.